Alright guys, we're there with the triple century boss.
Universe boss!
Alright.
I'm with my friend James.
How you say fuck y'all and boss gun, you know? Okay, ready? Set, go! Go!
Oh, that's pretty good. Bruh.
Wagwan squad. So you see me, you know, last night we did the night fishing. That was fun. Wish you guys were there in person, but just watch. Today we've been partying, hanging out with a little firefighting. We're supposed to be doing challenges, but that never went too well. We're going to do some now. So right now, what we're doing is actually a throwback. We're calling it the Decade Challenge. We're doing some of our favorite viral challenges of the last decade because why not? Retro is fun sometimes. Tonight we're going to start off with the cinnamon challenge, which is a spoonful of cinnamon. You try to eat it under a minute. Tomorrow try the milk jug challenge, and we have some more in store, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I got my spoon at the cinnamon, and I got Bradley. He's going to do it with us.
Unfortunately.
You guys can call him Bragny. That's what who call it that?
Me sometimes.
Okay.
Bragny.
Bradley, what are your thoughts on this challenge?
That I am probably going to fail right now, but we guess where this go.
Alright guys, so point of this challenge is to try to eat this spoonful and see if you can swallow it. So who's going to count us down?
Let's do this.
Alright, go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Already. No.
Stop moving around.
Yeah, get the water. Okay, yeah, get the choke, get the water.
I feel
Round 2. Go again.
Wait, my juice.
Yeah, beg your friend with that. I'm not gonna dead up in you. Yeah, that's some. A fucking desert.
Yo, y'all did much better than the average person though. Average person spits that shit out.
Like instantly, yeah.
Alright guys, so as you saw, Bradley and I did not complete that challenge. We failed, so oh. Alright. So guys, yeah, you saw it here. We failed challenge 1, COVID. So
I just sneezed and cinnamon came out.
yeah. So guys, we're on to challenge number 2. Let's go.
Do it.
Go. Alright, guys. Someone and Kate bitched out, so they said they'll do the popsicle challenge. Oh, where they deep throat.
Where we eat 2 homemade popsicles.
Yeah. They So guys, they agreed that okay, they'll be wild. They'll try Capri's banana and strawberry. Homemade popsicle.
James, don't belittle my thing like that. Seriously.
Right.
Okay, James and I are gonna.
You don't need.
Hold on.
I have to introduce them inside and explain to everybody. Okay, we're gonna let you guys know when to come. We're gonna set up. Hi guys.
Hello.
Okay, so we're doing. They think it's a challenge, but it is I guess like a prank.
We made popsicles out of ketchup and mustard.
And I told them that one was strawberry and mango. So we're gonna have them try it. We'll show you guys. So we have 2 strawberry, aka ketchup. Sure.
So, when did they make these popsicles?
This morning, but they're like frozen.
Fresh fruit and them thing?
Yeah.
Oh, real rich.
And then this is the
Mango?
yeah.
No, I'll probably try the mango still.
You might have to run some warm water on the outside of it. Actually a challenge. We're just kind of adding it to the challenge thing, but you guys just have to like give your honest review.
Alright. Yeah, now I'm technically difficulties, so
Let's see what we're
soon come to you.
Oh, it's stuck in there.
Yeah.
I know this is the
We
strawberry.
didn't do them properly.
Yeah, that's the worst.
Well, me, really, it's my fault.
Don't hit the time, go drop. Just go drop out.
Just
run some water on it.
Alright, guys, see you outside. This is very important because I have some finishing touches.
Okay, go on now.
Are you guys excited? Give me your thoughts.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Okay, what flavor for you?
Strawberry.
Because I'm this excited.
Strawberry.
Huh?
Flavor.
Wait, could you guys do both or no? Okay, strawberry, mango. Okay.
Yeah. Alright, cool.
Oh, it's mango?
Yeah.
Okay.
You'll do mango?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll do mango.
Mango?
Good. This is a mustard one, aka mango. This one is a little wonky.
Oh.
But this
Put
is
the camera right there. Hold this. I need to hold it.
okay.
Camera
And
down.
this?
Yes, put the camera down.
Oh. Are you sure? What is that one?
No, babe.
I know. I'm sorry. I'm like having a lot of responsibility.
No, you don't.
Damn, this sounds so weird. Not a chance. Alright, James, that's a huge one. James, are you going to use this one?
Alright.
Okay, wait. You have to put that one away. Put it back in the freezer. Hold it, I'm going to gather everyone and then get the camera out.
Camera's right there.
I'm back.
No, hold the camera in one hand. Or give it.
Okay, no, we're going to do it in here, James.
Okay.
So call them.
Yo!
Don't let them whiff it, James. Do
Yo!
not let them whiff it. Tell them to turn off the music too.
Ready? Turn off the music. Okay. Forward.
James and I are so excited. Okay. Guys, hurry! I don't want it to melt. What are you doing, James?
Pull it out first. Eat it.
Okay. Oh my god, this is so good.
Ah, you ready first?
Yes.
Yeah.
We're hoping they're not too melty. Okay, you wanted strawberry.
Strawberry.
Wait, don't eat yet and don't take off the cover because it's kind of melty.
Alright. Yeah. Alright. Ready?
You guys go on that side of the thing.
Yo, hold on, my teeth. Yeah,
No. Alright. Ready?
Wait, guys.
Wait, what are we doing? Wait, what's the
Taste it. Just taste.
We're gonna be recording, James.
Alright, we're for cheers. Unsheathed.
No, we're not touching my.
Alright.
We're for cross sword.
Yeah, big up the caps.
Yo.
Okay. Ready? Set.
Mango and
Go. Go.
Oh, this is pretty good. Bruh. No!
Wait.
Mustard, my
What the fuck?
No, Mr. Mustard.
I cannot
Oh, this
believe
one,
you.
No,
Oh my God,
you
no.
eat it. You eat it. You eat it. All I eat it. One of this.
What is this?
It's funny. It's funny. How can I do it?
I was so ready. I was like, yo, mango now.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw up on them up with it. Wanna puke.
Yo, that's
I think the dog going.
hot sauce. Shit, I did not see that coming.
You guys.
You seem like you're enjoying it.
I wanted their drinking on it.
I want to get another.
Look at the man to got proper bite in it.
I just need the hot.
You alright, someone?
What is in here? What is in here? What is that? What is that? It's like sriracha.
It's ketchup. It's ketchup.
Good God. Why is it spicy?
Yo, somebody.
No, I can't.
If you like it, eat it, right?
Yo. What the
How was
wanna
that?
eat
Okay,
mustard?
buy something that goes well
Thought
covered.
you're my bridging dog. Man, go give me a mustard to rub.
That was good, guys.
Kid goes, wow, this is so good, Caps.
I went out there and told them like, you know, hard caps works and these.
Yeah, I was like,
So all of us are like, I could try the thing. And look what they're gonna do.
Like before the taste, it like licked me, I was like,
Yo,
Someone just saw say, yo, this actually tastes kind of weird.
at first, if I must say, hold on, I'm gonna smell mango.
oh, you actually could. What throw it in the trash? Oh, you threw it
Yeah, one time. Watch this one.
Oh shit,
Wait,
sorry,
wait.
I threw the whole thing away.
Okay, you want to put it back in the
probably want
freezer for
to-
later, you know. Catch it.
You want
That's fine. I get it.
Let's try it, my dog. You know, for.
guys. We're there with the triple century boss.
Universe boss.
Alright.
I'm with my friend James.
How you say fuck girl and boss gun, you know?
Bop, 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 bop.
Yeah,
What? Alright,
Man.
Birdman.
Yeah, all of my schoolmates.
Okay, so how do you go to school with him?
everyone.
Danny, where you go? What place so?
So, wait.
Everybody
Danny,
is
want a
associated
photo?
with Excelsior right here.
Excelsior?
Excelsior right here.
Best school.
Best school?
Best school.
Me? Me go Hillel.
Hello, fuck. All right.
This is actually, this is definitely going in the vlog.
I don't really think you have a choice because it's now
don't,
6
we don't.
minutes of footage. James, can I give it a shot? I feel like I'm gonna get it on the first try.
I mean, I would be really happy, but since I started this journey, can I just get it first?
Give her a guess shot.
James,
They might make you better.
Yeah, so what am I doing wrong?
everything. No, you're doing everything perfectly, James. You just keep doing different things each time.
Well, that would have been,
I thought that was gonna be
that
it.
was with the perfect height. It's just when I get the height right, I get the direction wrong. I can't get both of them.
Not bad.
Been too invested in this.
I think you're right, James. I think I'll have to hire you a cameraman.
Right? You won't be the cameraman, eh?
I feel nauseous.
You can just lay it out where it sees everything.
No, because it's never gonna get that.
Sure.
Whoa! Yes.
Well gone, squad. Thanks for watching the video. Very happy to have you guys here. Before you go, please just remember to like and subscribe. It'll mean the world to us. Thank you. See you soon.